is in the ship Tenshu Maru. May God bless her and all her crew and everybody sailing on her.
At this juncture, we shall now witness the cutting of the line. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Together with Tunish Heavy Industry School and Hanjin, we have made a mark in the maritime world. Also,
from Japan's private sector, its government, and from across the globe. We have not always been keen on playing up our achievements. They and other officials and workers of the Tsuneishi group really come a long way. It seems only sometimes government is here for you. Together, we will... Ibang boss kung di kayo. Daylight is...
Mamaya nalakad yan, may ka na kumpera sa...
Thank you for...
Hey, good!
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A pleasant day to everyone.
Mr. President,
That's about the
historic. Before that, we were building the smaller ones. Those were the smaller ones over there.
Are there plans to build bigger ships?
180,000 Cambarasan is the maximum we can build here. Would you like something to say? This is what it looked like, Mr. President. This is what it looked like. You know, and my son. we used to make also steel bar.
Last day. Everybody watching on the last day.